This Liene PixCut printer, plus this brand new DIY accessory kit, helped me organize my studio space and have a lot more fun with it. Once I moved into my new space, I got things set up, but it's always constantly in motion. But the one thing that I was missing was a little bit more organization. When Liene sent me their DIY accessory kit, I knew I was going to have a lot of fun with it, so I want to share with you how I helped organize my space just a little bit more with some of these cool and fun accessories. One of my biggest areas of opportunity has to do with my pen and marker organization. I tend to keep things both in pen holders, but I also like to put things inside of pen cases. But the problem is that many of my cases, probably almost all of them, are not transparent. You can't see through them. So I thought, what's a really good way that I can help organize and quickly identify what's inside of a case? And that is where this DIY accessory pin comes in. Inside of this kit, you get 3 pins to get up and running. And I was thinking that I have some really great canvas bags that I do like to put stuff inside of, and the pins will work out perfectly for this. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the Liene Photo app, and we are going to create a custom label using this pin for our pen bags. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the app here, and we're going to go down to decorative stickers, and then we're going to go ahead and scroll all the way over, and you'll see creative DIY kit stickers. Now inside of here are all of the different templates that we're going to need for all of the different pieces we're creating today. So let's go ahead and start, and we're going to start with the pin first. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one here that lets me put in my own custom text. You can go ahead and read the hint on here, which basically is telling you that the size of this is exactly what it needs to be. You can fill in this template and just make sure to set a 0 margin cut when we go into the cutting phase. Now I can click on here and I can edit the text for different labels. A lot of the times I'm carrying things like brush pens, colored pencils, fine liners, things like that inside of there. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to create the labels for each of those, because what I can do is I can always change these out. The back of this paper is like a sticker paper, so I can either remove it or just put a sticker over top of it. And again, I have 3 of them that I can use, so I can put them on 3 different bags when I'm getting started. When I'm ready to go, I'll click Make It, and then we'll head over to the printer and check it out. What I love about this printer is that it really does everything we need. It goes ahead first and prints out everything in color. Really great detail. I love this process and watching it add each of the colors as it goes through. And then my absolute favorite part of the PixCut is that it cuts out the sticker for us. I do not have to move it to another machine or do it by hand. Now that we've got that, we can go ahead and peel off the sticker backing. We can put it right onto our pin, and then we can go ahead and attach that pin to our pen bag. And now I have a nice label for my bag. It's not gonna fall off. It can tell me exactly what's inside of this bag, and I'm ready to go. Now you might not always want to put a pin inside of your bag, and I completely understand that. I don't like to put holes in things all the time either. So we can also use labeling like this using the keychain. And we're gonna use this keychain for a few different ideas. One of the things that I did a little bit differently for this keychain one is I went ahead and added one of the graphic elements to it. So you'll see I found a pencil image. Now to add this to the keychain, it's super easy. There are 2 plastic pieces that come out, little frame pieces. We're gonna stick our sticker to one, then we're gonna go ahead and lay the other in front of it, and then it's gonna slide right into this keychain part here. You'll see this little clasp, which actually holds on the key ring to that frame, which is also going to lock that image in place. And you could use this like a regular key ring if you wanted, or in this case, I have this nice little hatch. I can go ahead and put that over top of it. And now I have a label for this pen bag to let me know what's inside of it. These are just 2 ideas for labeling for stationery storage. I'd love to hear from you on what you think you might be able to use this for. But let's go ahead and move on to the next thing, which is actually how I like to organize my ink swatches. So over behind me on my pegboard, I've been collecting a lot of inks and ink swatches. And right now they're just hanging over there on the pegs, facing the opposite direction. And I don't ever know exactly what's in each one of them. I just like to take them out and kind of shuffle through them when I'm looking for a new ink. But with these keychains, I had a new idea of alphabetizing them by brand so that I can find them easily. We'll go back into the app. We're actually going to use this larger template here with this label over top of it. I'm just going to make it really nice and easy for myself. And I'm going to go in and I'm going to split these into 2 different letter groups. We'll do an A through J and a K through Z. Again, we'll go ahead and print these out on our label. It'll automatically cut it for us, and then we can take that, put that inside of the frame, and then we're good to go. Now I can go ahead and hang these onto my pegboard and easily see the difference between all of my inks from A to J and all of my inks on K to Z. This is going to be a really big game changer for me as I continue to use this. I can easily know what brands are in which stack versus just kind of shuffling through them randomly. And as I add new ones in here, I'll know exactly where I need to add them as we go. So far, we have pen and stationery organization. We've organized our swatches, which was super fun. The keychains can really be used for anything. Now, the last piece that's inside of this DIY kit are these magnets. Now, there are so much cool stuff that we could be doing with these magnets because they actually come with 3 different parts just to take a look at it. I'll show you how to do everything in just a second, but first, let's go ahead and set up some labels for a Kanban board. Now, if you're not familiar, a Kanban board is how I like to move projects from new ideas, in progress, and moving them to done. I do this all on my whiteboard. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create 3 labels that I'm going to put on my magnetic whiteboard. And this is going to allow me to break up my projects into new projects, in progress projects, and projects that are done. So I'll go back into the app and now we're going to find the larger magnet size. Now there is a lot more room on this canvas than just for these 2. So I'm going to just delete this text down here. I'll go ahead and duplicate one of these other pieces and I'll go ahead and just type in new, in progress, and done into the spaces. You can pick out different colors if you want to. I'm just going to go for these and then we're going to make it. The machine is going to go ahead and print out all of our different labels that we need. It's going to cut them out perfectly on the other side, and now we're ready to go. This process does take a little bit more time and maybe not as reusable as some of the other options, but I'm really excited about this. So on one side, I'll go ahead and remove the backing from the magnet and I'll take my sticker off and I'll go ahead and stick it right onto here. Now we're going to take this clear piece here. We're going to unstick the one side. That will stick to the top of our photo. We'll go ahead and pull the plastic off the other side and then we'll attach the acrylic to that. It gives our magnet a totally different look, much more professional, but it's just one way that you could do this. And you can also choose not to put the acrylic on here if you don't want to. Now that they're all done, I'll show you how I use these on my whiteboard. So as you can see, I have them all set up. We have all of our new projects with our label magnet here at the top for new. All of my in progress are going to be in the center here. And then when they're done, I'll just move that sticky note over underneath done. And that way I'll always know where my projects are as I'm using them. Now, I have a lot of different ideas for these magnets inside of my space. I'm definitely going to need another kit because I have more stuff that I want to do, labeling things in my art cart. I also just love adding different stickers to things as well. And the fact that I can use this PixCut to print them out, to cut them out for me, and then I can stick them where I want, makes using this even more fun. Yes, you can print out photos. Yes, you can make your own stickers for your planners and your journals, or you can just use them to decorate your space, print out photos, stick them around. It's a whole lot of fun. But creating organization is even more fun for me. I just get very excited about that. So this has been a really cool project. Whether you are using them for pen stationery storage and labeling, whether you're using them to create Kanban boards and magnetic labels, or even using them personally for yourself, there are so many different ways that you can use these. And I would love to hear from you in the comment section. Make sure to drop a comment and let me know how you would use these different accessories in your own life. Would you use them for fun, functional, or a little bit of both? It's so fun hanging out with you. Appreciate you watching today's video, and I'll talk to you next time. See ya.